Hi friends, welcome on Yourpedia, and this video is related to the opportunities for PhD jobs in foreign universities for students of some reputed colleges in India. Let me first tell you PhD job, why I am calling it PhD job. Unlike India, friends, PhD program in some country is treated as employment. It is not higher education, it is employment. That means it is advertised for particular duration of time, let's say 3 years, 4 years. It is advertised for particular project sponsored by industry. You know beforehand, before joining PhD, you are going to do this. What is expected from you, what skills are expected from you, you know that also. With which professors you are going to work, you are aware about that also. And you are given स्कॉलरशिप विच एवरी ईयर इंक्रीजेज. जो भी आपको अलाउंसेस वगैरह एम्प्लॉयमेंट में मिलते हैं वो आपको मिलते हैं. सिमिलर टू दैट हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस एंड ऑल दीज बेनिफिट्स विच आर गिवन टू एम्प्लॉइज आर गिवन टू यू ऑल्सो. दिस इज टिपिकल इन स्कैंडिनेवियन कंट्रीज एंड यूरोपियन कंट्रीज. नाउ PhD after BTech has number of benefits, and Yourpedia is the pioneer and I believe the only platform, Yourpedia Global, where we are sending lot of students to top global universities with the mentorship of global mentors of Yourpedia who are sitting in different universities. They are mentoring you, all of you who are capable, and providing you very good scholarship. Couple of benefits which are visible in direct PhD is very good scholarship where you can save lot of money per month, far more than what you earn in job in India. So approximately 1 lakh rupee you can earn per month. That is the benefit. Second, PhD degree is for short duration of time. Second thing is, in case you don't want to complete PhD, after 2 years you want to take MS and go, you can do that. So that means you have taken very good scholarship which is not available in MS, and you have taken MS also. That means instead of spending 40-50 lakh rupees on MS, you have taken money from university and completed MS also. Smart strategy. This is something which was not known in India before, and Yourpedia Global Mentor started preaching it, and many students are getting benefited through this now. I call it as a smart thinking, smart decision making, and smart way to go abroad. Now getting direct PhD is little difficult in top universities unless until you have very good rapport with the professor who will interview you. Unlike admission in MS, getting into PhD simply means you should impress the professor with your purpose, with your research proposal, with statement of purpose, with your CV. He should feel that okay, you will be helpful to him in the project. Second, he will certainly interview you. So first you have to approach professor, then he will interview you, and interview will be there, and then he will take you. So getting opportunity is difficult, but yes, with the expertise of mentors of Yourpedia Global and with their reference, now you people can get benefited. अभी पिछले कुछ टाइम से what we have observed, what mentors of Yourpedia Global have observed is, like, they also cannot send a student who does not have credentials to direct PhD, because obviously professors are not going to take you. Now कुछ credentials क्या हैं उसमें, like CGPA has to be good. You should have good CGPA, 8 plus CGPA should be good, or in some cases 7.5, 7, but 8 CGPA is good. आपने जो प्रोजेक्ट किया है, आपके पास कुछ रिसर्च वर्क होना चाहिए, आपके पास स्किल्स होनी चाहिए जो अपने CV में दिखा सकें. Yourpedia Global Mentors will tell you कि अपने CV आपको ऐसे बनाना है. So those of you who are sitting in some colleges in second year, third year, and they have decided that I want to go to foreign country top universities and I want to go for direct PhD program, they should start making their CV proper from now onward. अपने CV पे काम करना अभी से start करो, and you can join Yourpedia Global for that. Mentors will mentor you from the very beginning, and जब तक आप निकलेंगे कॉलेज से निकलेंगे, तब तक आप काफ़ी अच्छा आपका CV बन जाएगा, काफ़ी अच्छा आपका रैपर बन जाएगा प्रोफेसर्स के साथ लिंक्डइन वगैरह पे, या मे बी आप इंटर्नशिप अच्छी जगह से करें. तो सेकंड थर्ड ईयर का जो स्टूडेंट है बीटेक का, वो सही पोजीशन में होता है अपना अगले 1-2 साल इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए, कि अपने आप को कैसे ग्रूम करे इन अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ के लिए, डायरेक्ट PhD अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ अब्रॉड के लिए. One more factor is, like, you should be graduate of good college. If you are graduate from good college जिनका नाम प्रोफेसर्स ने सुना है, तो आपके लिए आसान हो जाता है. बहुत से ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स जिनके कॉलेज का नाम बहुत नहीं था, टीयर 2 टीयर 3 से थे, उनको यूरोपीडिया ने भेजा है, मेंटर्स, यूरोपीडिया मेंटर्स ने उनको टॉप पीएचडी के लिए भेजा है, बिकॉज देयर सीजीपीए वाज गुड, देयर प्रोजेक्ट वाज वेरी गुड. सो इवन इफ यू आर नॉट फ्रॉम एनी रेप्यूटेड कॉलेज बट योर सीजीपीए इज गुड एंड योर प्रोजेक्ट इज गुड, you stand a good chance. But if you are from these colleges, the list of which I'll show you, I think 150 colleges list I am showing you. If you are from these colleges, your things become very easy. I mean, यूरोपीडिया ग्लोबल के मेंटर आपको 3 महीने 4 महीने के अंदर अपॉर्चुनिटीज दिलवा सकते हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ रेफरेंस एंड बिकॉज ऑफ अप्रोच टू द प्रोफेसर्स, एंड प्रोफेसर्स नो इट. अगर मैं बोलूँ IIT बॉम्बे तो प्रोफेसर जानता होगा, NIT त्रिची प्रोफेसर जानता होगा, ट्रिपल IIT, IIT, NIT, IICRs. So more 150 colleges, I mean there are 150 colleges which professors sitting abroad know. And if you are from these colleges and if your CGPA is more than 8 and if you have done little bit good work, second year, third year, final year, and if you want to go direct PhD, believe me friends, Europedia Global is the place where you should come. Fill the Google form if you are from these colleges, and if you meet these conditions, then fill the Google form. Our executive will get back to you and connect you further to the mentors, and those mentors will connect you further to the respective professors, and that way not only you will get opportunity, professors will also get very good student in form of you, and it will help that professor also. Now, so what are these, let me show you what are these universities now. Yeah, the requirement is your CGPA should be good, and another requirement is you should have, yes, done some project work. आपने कुछ project work किया हो, अच्छा project work किया हो, और आपके पास passion हो to pursue higher education abroad. 3 things are required. Are you from these colleges? Is your CGPA 8+? You have done some fair good project work, internship, something like that. Or if you are in second year, third year, don't bother because you will do that. And do you have passion to go abroad? If you say no, मेरे को तो सिविल सर्विसेज लगाना है, इंडिया में मेरे को सिविल सर्विसेज लिखना है या PSU जाना है, तो उसके लिए बात नहीं हो रहा है. ये उसके लिए बात हो रहा है जिसको लगता है मेरे को टॉप कॉलेजेस में जाना है, लेकिन मैं पैसा नहीं अपना इन्वेस्ट करूंगा, मेरे को स्कॉलरशिप के साथ जाना है. तो दिस बेसिकली थिंग इज फॉर यू. So this is what I am saying. Think smart. You should think. Thinking is very, very important. Then you should start doing smart and go smart. You should go abroad in a smart way, not by spending lot of tons of money of your parents, and inefficient way you should not go. You should go like this. Now, the first set of institutes are IIT, NIT, triple IT, and plus some more government, centrally government funded institutes. वो 122 list of 122 institutes come in this particular category. So 23 IITs are there, 31 NITs are there, 23 your triple ITs are there. So if you add these, you know, this somewhere around 75-76 institutes are IIT, NIT, triple IT. So professors sitting abroad, they have heard the name, whether it is NIT Jammu, it is NIT Mandi, it is IIT Jammu, IIT Mandi, or it is NIT Jalandhar, it is any, I mean it may be remotely located in India, but for them IIT Bombay, then IIT Mandi, IIT Jammu, I mean they consider it is IIT. तो वो नाम आपका सुना हुआ है, और कुछ और आपके सेंट्रली फंडेड इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं. तो IIT सारी आ गई. IIMS मैंने इसलिए लिखा है, दो IIMS में यू डोंट डू ग्रेजुएशन, यू डू पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन इन IIMS, बट IIMS अगर आपको आगे PhD के लिए जाना है आफ्टर पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन, देन दे हैव हर्ड द नेम ऑफ IIMS also. Like if you have done IIMS say masters and now you want to go to Harvard or Stanford or MIT, then this is the thing for it. Then IIScs, then IICRs, then NITs, then IST Shibpur, and then some triple IITs, and some more colleges are there which are centrally funded. So these are the names, like NITRS हो गए, School of Planning and Architect हो गया, similarly Sant Longowal Institute हो गया, NITI Bombay हो गया. So these are some of the institutes जो 122 की list है, which government का Ministry of Education की साइड पे. So if you go to Ministry of Education, you find these institutes, and that is what professors do. Professors have certain rankings, these are also NIRF ranked institutes. So professor देखता है कि top institutes इंडिया में कौन से हैं. ये largely ये आपके सारे के सारे government top institutes of the government हैं, जो centrally funded institutes हैं या institutes जो reputed institutes हैं. So that means I am taking now this from Ministry of Education sites. There are IITs, NITs, triple IITs, and NITRs and central institutes. So एक category तो ये है. If you are from this category, yes, 8 CGPA plus, mentors of Europedia can really help you. So this entire thing actually is there. So that means if you are from all the IITs, you know, all the NITs, all the triple IITs, then that is you are you know, first pedestal is there. Credibility में मैं उस list में से हूँ. You can refer this video to the mentors. You can say, okay, whether I can direct PhD or not, I fulfill 3 conditions. CGPA 8+, I am from this college, and I have done a project which is fairly good, and I have passion to go abroad. That's it. These are the things required, friends. The rest is mentors of Europedia Global. They will decide, they will help you how to go it. Other than this list now, then there are universities which are other than this also, which are equally reputed. एंड अगर आपका कॉलेज इस लिस्ट में नहीं है और आपका कॉलेज आपको लगता है इक्वली रिप्यूटेड लाइक दिस, यू कैन मैसेज, यू कैन यू नो comment on this video and tell that your college is also equally reputed. So maybe me and my team must have missed your college which is equally reputed. तो आप इस कॉलेजेस, इस लीग में जो कॉलेजेस हैं उनकी लिस्ट देखें आप, एंड इन कॉलेजेस को बहुत ज़्यादा प्रायोरिटी मिलती है प्रोफेसर से. दैट मीन्स प्रोफेसर्स नो दिस कॉलेजेस. जहाँ पे भी हम बात करेंगे, जहाँ पे भी हम डिस्कस करते हैं, दे नो दिस कॉलेजेस. दिल्ली टेक्निकल यूनिवर्सिटी, दे नो. नेताजी सुभाष यूनिवर्सिटी इन दिल्ली, दीज आर 2 दिल्ली में कॉलेजेस, एंड दीज 2 मोर कॉलेजेस इन दिल्ली. सो दिल्ली के 4 और कॉलेज हैं, NIT दिल्ली और IIT दिल्ली के अलावा, विच इज़ लाइक इंदिरा गांधी टेक्निकल यूनिवर्सिटी फॉर वुमेन एंड गुरु गोविंद सिंह इंद्रप्रस्थ यूनिवर्सिटी. सो दीज आर द 4 यूनिवर्सिटीज. इफ यू आर ग्रेजुएट फ्रॉम दीज यूनिवर्सिटीज, इट इज़ अ रेप्यूटेड कॉलेजेस. Then it is Shiv Nadar University, MIT University Noida, and then Punjab Engineering College Thapar. Then उत्तर प्रदेश में देखा जाए तो IET लखनऊ and हरकोट बटलर टेक्निकल यूनिवर्सिटी that is in कानपुर. Then बिरला के तीनों कॉलेजेस in हैदराबाद, in राजस्थान पिलानी and in गोवा. Similarly वेलूर के दोनों कॉलेजेस चेन्नई और वेलूर के अंदर. MBM जोधपुर रेप्यूटेड कॉलेजेस में आता है. उड़ीसा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग टेक्नोलॉजी, कलिंगा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ हैदराबाद एंड JNTU. मुंबई के अंदर ये 2 कॉलेजेस बहुत रेप्यूटेड हैं, इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ केमिकल टेक्नोलॉजी एंड VJTI इज़ वेरी वेरी रेप्यूटेड. अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी, जामिया मिलिया इस्लामिया. निर्मा यूनिवर्सिटी इन गुजरात इज़ वेरी रेप्यूटेड. PSG कोयम्बटूर, इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ स्पेस साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. Then if we talk about Bengal, West Bengal, then IIT Shibpur and Jadavpur University, very reputed. Manipal Institute and College of Engineering Pune. These are some colleges which are in the same league as earlier colleges. So this list is given to me by mentors of Europedia Global and told that if there is a graduate with 8+ CGPA from this college and interested to go abroad, please get in touch with those graduates. We can really help you in the sense we can get you wonderful opportunities, friends. See, if you apply on your own also, you will get one college or the other. And as you know, Europedia is the largest platform which counsels students for getting into top global institutes including India. Like post-grad counseling going on nowadays, you must have, let me give you example. If you apply on your own, maybe you will settle on particular department in particular IIT. But if you take the mentoring of Europedia mentors, they will help you to get the best place with your credential, and that is what we are going to do. Now there are top global institutes, there are scholarships in that. So all we do is we try to optimize your search, and we try to provide you the best opportunities by linking you with the professors, referring you to the professors, telling you how to work on your CV, tell you to how make your cover letter, tell you and push you how to apply further, and at the end you get very good opportunities. So if you are graduates of this list of these colleges, please fill your Google form. Our executive will soon catch you and discuss with you. All the very best. Thank you.